You're like by Dallas area, huh? Sammy, you gonna come to Texas? I didn't see the comment. Okay, if Sammy comes, she need to come to Houston. Bruh, I feel like people will go crazy for me and Sammy collab. People will fucking go crazy. I just feel like, okay, y'all think if me and Sammy linked up, that would definitely. We're gonna have to do the pool too because you know you work that pool. I'll talk her head off. She talked my head off too. I think she should come in the summertime so that way when we're done, like we can swim in the pool. Like we can go swim in my pool outside and we drink the margarita. Unless if I'm pregnant, then I get the mocktail. Yep, You know how I do what I do best. Ooh. I knew that shit was gonna be dry. I forgot to dunk it. I'm gonna take this shit out. Fuck this shit. Fuck that fucking sponge. What the fuck? Man, this shit's so nice. Okay, so I should save some, right? Because it's laundry. Hey, Miss Rashida. Definitely save some. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't have the polo right now. But who knows? What time is it? When did I start? I need to check in like 5 to 10 minutes. Can someone remind me please in like 5 to 10 minutes? Hey, Kelly. Hey V, thank you. I'm about to save some before I put cans in. Chat, I have 40 cans left to sell out. That's it, just the 40 cans, and then will be sold. I have epoxy right here. How many cans going in right now? We have 32 going in, but I am gonna save some because right now, there we go. So if I do it like this, it's gonna be faster. But okay, there we go. There we go. Now that's one down. I got 2 more to go. I don't have a cup with me. Okay, there we go. Okay, that was faster. I had to turn the thing to the side. Honestly, I've never saved like a pink save, so I hope that it doesn't, do y'all think it's gonna stay in your clothes? Because that's just the only thing that I'll be worried about. Go, get in there. Use all the time ago. Okay, thank you for letting me know in the chat because Okay, that doesn't work better. Okay, there we go. The purple sponge? I think I seen you use it, was it yesterday? My sneeze. Puzzle check. I do get the puzzle. I did it. Thank you. Cause that's why I was like, it's gonna be like 5-10 minutes. Y'all let me know. Hey, okay, we just got it at 8:44. So I'm gonna have to remember. Remember. This is not as thick as the other one, so definitely. Ooh, this shit, look at this book. I love comments. Can y'all tell me? Yeah, we'll show you today. That's a good one. But also, I was gonna ask you what, because I know Valentine's is there was also Galentine. Now, that reminded me of girl friendships. What's one girl that you stopped being her friend? Like, why did you stop being that person's friend? I guess it could be girl or guy. That's a good one. You have my Valentine plan. Okay. She got with your kid's father. Hope. Goals in life. Ended your 14 friendship. No goal. What? Different mindsets. Okay. Sometimes it's like you either like grow with me or you're in the same place. She could not stop cheating on her man and her man blow her phone. Be like, I'm not your girl. That's you didn't go get your girl. I'm the friend. Not the in love. Not they're like, it's like she was in love with me or something. Oh my god. Slippery. See, that's, dang, I got some trauma behind these stories. Damn. Male centered. Oop. Oop. That'll do it. I like what V used to do. I don't know if she does it anymore. But they would be like anonymous stories. Hi, Jessie. You're really good friends. Dami, I didn't see your comment before, but. Hey, Myra. How are you, love? Oh my god, you baby 2 weeks and your best friend ain't texted you. That's crazy. Oh yeah, Rachel, I'll be seeing that all the time. Yeah, Rachel's like TikTok famous. She got like 50,000 followers. Well, I'm glad that y'all stayed up here, so. Just say you have the life. I want to go say your products. Come on then. Do it. I want to see you do it. just to stay with that man. So y'all need to level up. Come on now. Y'all ain't do all that, not be that girlfriend and this and that just to stay with the man. Come on now. Y'all all that hooping and hollering. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm like, cause now I'm the type like, well, what do you mean by that? Cause you know what you meant, and I know what you meant, but I want to hear what you're gonna say that you meant. No, I actually got all the products at her place. Okay, this is a good question because I've been seeing it a lot on TikTok. Did you stay with somebody that cheated on you? If you did, why? Did you eventually leave, or are you still together and you have renewed trust? Absolutely not. Yes, and you eventually left. Okay. You know, maybe I regretted it. So quickly left. Oh, she's like, I didn't know I was gonna get triggered. Hi, Jay. Yeah, sometimes, I mean, love can really make you blind. Plus, it's that trauma bond. In high school, you were young. You would get with their dad or their bro. What? To even the. That's crazy. Yeah, I feel like if you lie to me or like betray me, it could just be like anything. But what made them cheat on you? No, I don't feel like a person can make someone cheat on them. I feel like they did that on their own. Like, cause you could leave somebody. Like, there's no justifying that. Me? No, I never been with anybody. So we could get a little more liquidy squeezes. Chat, we have 40 cans. Does anyone want to add any cans? We have 40. There are only $2 each for some lemon. For a lemon comet. Yeah, Beyonce got cheated on. But it doesn't have to do, like, that's why people think, like, it has to do with how the person